Wait, I think there's animation here. Apologies for all HDAD neurodiverse audience. These slides are a bit overcrowded, overwhelming. I'm just here to talk about what we can offer from the Jane Golding Institute. Starting from the bottom, because it's the area I lead, we offer courses in different aspects of data science and software engineering, as well a bit of focus, especially this last year, on showing best practices and how to make your research more reproducible. These courses are most of them designed to offer to the different doctoral programs, but we are also offering for free to all university staff and students. And if you have in mind something that you want to get some training on, but you don't have people with this expertise or you want some support, contact us. We always have time to discuss about possibilities to develop new training. We can also offer support in your data science projects from using the free help desk Ask JGI that is run by PhD students, that they can offer you up to 8 hours of free support. And you can, if you need, you expect that you need more support before writing your project or during your project if you have already started, you can contact us and try to seek for support of a data scientist. We can talk about costing. In the best cases, we can offer up to 6 months of 50% time of a data scientist. If you are looking for the short term, probably we will not have the capacity to offer that, but we try to adapt the best as possible. Lots of stuff there. I think that important is that you have the webpage there of the Jane Golding Institute. You have all the resources there. And just going to the last slide. We have a lot of networking events and what we recently call interest groups. Particularly, I like to highlight Health Data Research Network. We are running an event on the 9th of July that will try to connect cardiologists with people more expertise in data science. If you are interested, please write me an email. And as well, we can help you in terms of preparing your finding if you want to have some letters of support or a bit of guidance on the part of methods and data analysis. And that's it. Thanks very much.